Disaster rarely announces itself. Water turns toxic, temperatures collapse, signals disappear. In those moments, survival is not about luck, it's about systems. The right tool can mean warmth instead of hypothermia, hydration instead of infection, communication instead of isolation. Today, we're counting down 15 survival gadgets that transform chaos into control. From compact essentials to full-spectrum protection, each one solves a real-world survival problem. And by the end, you'll see why the final item isn't just gear, it's insurance against the unthinkable. Water is survival, but untreated water carries viruses, bacteria, parasites, and microplastics that can cripple you within days. The OASA Flex Flow is engineered to eliminate 99.999% of viral and biological threats under NSF/ANC standards. Its 3-in-1 modular system purifies instantly at 20 milliliters per second, giving you immediate hydration without chemicals or waiting. Backwashable filters extend lifespan, while dual lab testing ensures reliability. In the field, that means no boiling, no guesswork, just safe water on demand. And when hydration is secure, survival momentum begins. Hypothermia kills faster than hunger. Even mild exposure drains strength and decision-making ability. The Arcturus all-weather survival blanket combines Mylar heat reflection with layered polypropylene insulation. One side reflects radiant body heat. The other functions as tarp, shelter, or ground barrier. Reinforced grommets allow rapid shelter construction, deflecting wind and rain. At just 1.4 pounds, it becomes a compact thermal shield inside any pack or vehicle. In cold rain or alpine wind, retaining core temperature is not comfort, it's life preservation. Fire is psychological stability. It sterilizes water, cooks food, signals rescuers, and restores morale. The EG Ultimate Match delivers a 20-second burst of intense flame followed by 100 seconds of sustained burn. Pull ring ignition works in harsh weather, eliminating fumbling with damp lighters. Its concentrated combustion window allows ignition of wet tinder and stubborn fuel sources. When temperatures drop and hands tremble, reliability matters more than novelty. Fire on demand means control restored. Navigation errors escalate into search and rescue operations. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro integrates multi-sport GPS with inReach satellite communication for two-way messaging beyond cellular coverage. In emergencies, an interactive SOS connects you to a 24/7 response center. Built with titanium and sapphire, it withstands harsh terrain and 40-meter dives. Real-time location tracking, physiological monitoring, and onboard maps convert uncertainty into data. When lost, injured, or isolated, communication is survival leverage. Wood processing demands precision and durability. The tightener Tissa uses a CNC machine titanium handle paired with Japanese carbon tool steel teeth for efficient, clean cuts. Its folding double-hinge design protects the blade and deploys instantly. Capable of cutting wood, drywall, plastic, and more, it handles camp building and emergency tasks alike. A ceramic bead adds glass-breaking capability. Compact yet strong, it transforms manual effort into controlled output, essential when building shelter or clearing a path. Small tools often solve big problems. The Pivot X combines 8 survival utilities into one 420 stainless steel carabiner frame. It integrates a knife, wood saw, can opener, wrench, magnetic 20-lumen light, and tungsten glass breaker. Quick access and one-handed operation streamline gear adjustments in emergency response. In vehicle entrapment or urban emergencies, a decisive glass strike can mean escape. Lightweight but functional, it reinforces preparedness without bulk. Versatility prevents panic. The Taviker Survival Multi-Tool integrates a locking blade, magnetic bit system, hidden safety cutter, compass, ferro rod, window breaker, and even an inkless alloy pen. Designed for mechanical fixes and emergency improvisation, it supports repair, ignition, orientation, and signaling. High-hardness materials maintain durability under stress. In survival, redundancy builds confidence. With multiple functions in one compact body, problems become manageable instead of overwhelming. Disorganization wastes time and time kills. The Rhino Roddy Modular Survival System uses a rigid core panel to lock essential modules in place. 5 sealed modules plug and reload without unpacking. Hydra resists water infiltration. Sentry deploys into a vertical workstation in seconds. Fury supports long-range sustainment. Instead of chaotic packing, this system creates structured readiness. When evacuation is urgent, grab-and-go efficiency prevents critical delays. Chopping generates shelter, fuel, and defensive capability. The AXE's hand axe compresses axe-level force into a compact carry profile. Balanced weight distribution maximizes swing efficiency while maintaining portability. For splitting kindling, shaping steaks, or processing wood, controlled impact saves calories. In survival, conserving energy extends endurance. Power in your pocket is not convenience, it's resilience. Ground saturation invites cold, insects, and instability. The float tent eliminates terrain limitations with modular inflatable architecture. Hang between anchor points or deploy on the ground as a 3-season shelter. Its airframe structure erects without poles, while hammock mode removes pressure points. Deflated, it packs compactly for transport. In flood-prone or uneven terrain, elevation protects from moisture and wildlife. Shelter adaptability increases survivability. A blade must endure stress without failure. The CLD Steel Pocket Bushman features a cryo-quenched 41116 stainless steel clip-point blade secured by the ram safe lock. Its monoblock stainless handle reinforces structural rigidity. Long, wide geometry improves slicing and utility tasks. At 10.25 inches overall, it balances portability with capability. When carving, cutting cordage, or preparing food, the temperal steel maintains operational flow. Efficient wood processing requires aggressive tooth geometry. The Corona 7 folding saw features a curved impulse-hardened steel blade designed for faster cuts. 3-sided razor teeth engage more surface area, reducing effort per stroke. The lockback mechanism secures the blade during heavy work. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily into emergency kits. A dull blade becomes a liability. The Sharpel 6-in-1 sharpener restores edges with carbide and ceramic slots, while diamond rods handle serrations and hooks. Integrated ferro rod and emergency whistle add ignition and signaling redundancy. Preset angles ensure consistent sharpening under field conditions. Durable abrasives withstand repeated use. Maintaining edge integrity extends tool lifespan, and tool lifespan extends yours. Power sustains communication and navigation. The Goal Zero Nomad 10 delivers 10 watts of monocrystalline solar output with a built-in USB port. Lightweight and foldable, it attaches to backpacks or deploys with an adjustable kickstand. Charging GPS units, radios, or phones maintains critical connectivity. In prolonged grid failure, renewable energy prevents technological silence. Airborne threats are invisible and unforgiving. The Mira Safety CM8M is a military-grade CBRN mask engineered for protection against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear hazards when paired with appropriate filters. Its panoramic visor preserves 92.5% field of view while maintaining compatibility with optics and helmets. A central speech diaphragm ensures intelligibility. Durable bromobutyl rubber construction offers long-term resilience with a 20-year shelf life. In contaminated environments, breathable air becomes the ultimate resource. When the atmosphere itself turns hostile, protection defines survival. Preparation is not fear, it is discipline. From clean water and controlled fire to renewable energy and airborne protection, survival is built layer by layer. The difference between chaos and control is readiness. Equip intelligently, train deliberately, and when crisis strikes, you won't react in panic. You'll respond with precision.